What's good, chat? Took a trade today on Monday. Today's Monday. First day of the week. Back to back losses again. Well, I think it's more than back to back. I'm on a little losing streak. I don't even know what it is, but yeah, I lost again today. No news Monday, and couldn't capitalize on this nice move. So let's just get into it. I took this trade right here. Lost about a little more than 300 today. And it was based on this little retracement after this leg up, and then inversing this 1 minute. We also inversed two 1 minutes, but yeah, just like straight to stop loss. I came into the day, I guess, bullish because even though we had such a big new week opening gap, we were trending upwards, and I just needed to see that continuation of this trend. I needed to see volume, displacement, things like that. So yeah, I was really sitting on the 15 minute because I didn't just want to over fixate on the 1 minute like I did on Friday, but I was trying to stay on the 5 minute, the 15 minute, try not to get caught up in the noise on the low time frames. And my draw that I was really targeting was this high, basically the top of this, where we left off on Friday. I mean, if we wanted to go up, that was really the only thing to target, other than I guess, these hourly highs that I already had marked out and whatnot. So that was the bias, but yeah, I did miss an entry. I guess you can say it was right here. This would have been the ideal trade to take. On either index, on NQ we had a cleaner, I guess. It was right here. Cleaner inverse with that 1 minute. A lot of people got edged, but I mean, if you held it, or you either got break even or you held it, or you took another trade after this leg up. But yeah, most likely you got break evened unless you closed early for some reason, or you had another target. But I mean, yeah, could have caught a banger. Yeah, most likely. I mean, you should be going break even after getting what, edge 4 to 5 points. So yeah, that's really it. But my trade, since I wasn't seeing this, since I missed it, I wasn't on the 1 minute. I saw it after the fact. I was like, damn, this high key was the move, or was the entry, and just unfortunate I couldn't be a part of it. But we still didn't hit this draw. So I mean, if we got a retracement, I was willing to look for an entry. That's what we got. And the thing to learn from this day and this trade was, probably since I was on the 15 minute, probably should have noticed and waited for this 15 minute gap to get filled right there. But let's see. This is the first time actually on the chart since this morning. So let me take my time. So I took my trade. What time did I take my trade? I took it at 9:07. And so, yeah, that 15 minute gap was getting filled. Yeah, so it was 8 minutes left until this 15 minute gap. And see, this is why it's so annoying. And maybe it's, it's for a reason why this is happening. But, I don't want to have to wait 8 more minutes when we're so close to that draw to wait for a 15 minute gap to potentially get formed, or to get formed. And maybe that's a lesson learned. Maybe I should be waiting now. This has happened another time that I can remember. And so maybe maybe I have to wait for that 15 minute, if we have a potential 15 minute gap to get formed. I might miss an entry in the future, but if it's going to save me more times than not, then I probably should wait for that 15. But yeah, I wasn't even thinking about this 15 minute gap getting potentially filled, but my mentor told me. So, I mean, that's something I gotta write down, something to note for the future. And usually I'm really not on the 15 minute, I'm usually on the 5 minutes. So I mean, either way, like there's really no 5 minute. So if there's no 5 minute, then yeah, look for that 15-minute gap. And then if I would have just waited for that 15-minute gap, bro, he's just right here. I marked it out right correctly. Did I mark it out correctly? Wait, what? Yeah, right here. Okay, I did. Tripping. Yeah, it's just every day's a learning experience, man, and just gotta can't let it get to my head. So yeah, 15-minute right here. I mean, yeah, this would have been your entry. Getting a clear reaction out of that 15-minute. See, that's the problem. Like, you might have got liquidated because what if you had your stops right there? Boom. That would have hurt. And then just completely targets your draw right after. Let's see on NQ. Yeah, it did the same thing. That would have been unfortunate. That's another thing. I like, where do you put your stop loss? Because I'm seeing my mentor, he's catching these nice trades. And they're also like high RR. And he has a high win rate. It's just like, damn. But he caught this. He caught this. And he got like edged by like 4 points. He had a limit order somewhere around here. I'm assuming maybe right here. I think he took out, let's see, what was his limit? His limit was some sort of, I don't know, maybe it was this. But I know he got edged by some fair value gap. Maybe it was 4 hour. I don't know. I really don't. But yeah, he still was able to catch that leg. So I mean, it's just unfortunate. It is what it is, man. Just the feeling sucks. We have PBI tomorrow. Low volume week regarding news. But yeah, that's it for me. Another day, another opportunity to learn. Gotta learn from this. I'm gonna look at the review day video that he does every day. So go more in depth of what I did wrong and see what other people did right, and just learn from it. It's all you can do. Just learn from it. Make mistakes. Don't make them again, but learn from those mistakes and don't make them again. So that's really it. I'm gonna go on with my day, my workout, do some schoolwork, and that's really it. God bless everybody.